So this is how you can transfer WhatsApp chats from one iPhone to another. And by the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. So if you're using the normal WhatsApp, you go here, click on it. Then under settings here, you see an option chats. Then under chats, you can go down and you see an option transfer chats history. So you can click on it. Then once you click on it, you say transfer to iPhone. Then you say this, continue process chats. Then it will give you this option to scan the QR code. So on your new phone, what you just do is download WhatsApp on that new phone. You register with the same phone number and you use this phone to scan the QR code which will be given there. So the QR code will look something like this, and you just scan that QR code. And once you do that, it will initiate the transfer process of transferring chats from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. I think this is the simplest method you can use for transferring WhatsApp chats from one iPhone to another. Now, if you're using WhatsApp Business, one thing you see is if you go under settings like this, then you search for chats, there will be no option here, transfer chats history. So WhatsApp Business does not support that native method. That's one thing you have to understand. So if you're using WhatsApp Business, you have to look for a workaround. This workaround can also work even for WhatsApp Messenger, right? So it can work for both of those methods. So on WhatsApp Business, you simply go on chat backup. So what you'd want to do here is to just backup all your chats. So if you want to include the videos, you can include, obviously to take time depending on the size of the videos. However, if you do not want and you just want the chats, you just say backup now and it will backup to iCloud. So iPhone will backup to iCloud in the same way as Android will backup to Google Drive. So once you say backup, if you go to iCloud, if you go to your iCloud here, you see, let me just look for that option. You see these toggled on. So WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp, meaning these sync to iCloud. So basically what this does is it backs up all your chats to your iCloud. And the moment you install WhatsApp on your new phone or even WhatsApp Business, it will give you an option to restore these WhatsApp chats to your new phone, and this will work even in that case. If you are looking for content on how to transfer WhatsApp chats from your iPhone to your Android phone, then you can check out this video.